watch more Bhagavad Gita discourse videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Lead me to that knowledge where I will know what my true identity is, remaining where I will not fear anything. I will be absolutely fearless. I will be absolutely unaffected. Let anything come. I will be like the mountain, not movable. I will be like the sky, which is nirlepa, that is taintless. I will be like the ocean, which has no boundary. It is vast. Nobody will be able to shake me. I will be stable-minded. This is what all our scriptures, they want to tell us.
Join our live event on the 10th, 11th and 12th of October 2020. Register at www.globalgita.org.